So this is an automatic changeover switch. An automatic changeover switch, which is 5 in 1, 5 integrated to 1. The first contactor is a 3-phase contactor. It carries 3-phase lines, or we can call it 3 lines or 3 power lines. Phase 1 has got red, we have yellow phase and also blue phase. All go through this contactor. The second contactor is a single phase contactor from this red phase of the 3 phase. The other one is the yellow phase, single phase, and the fourth one is the blue phase. The fifth one, we can use it either for generator or solar or any other backup system as an alternative backup. When either of the 3 phase is off, it will pick automatically. So when these 3 phases, these 3 circuit breakers have got 3-phase control system, which they distribute the power to the surge protector or to the phase failure. When, according to the generator system, the integrated 2-in-1 system, when one line is off, the generator will pick automatically even though the 2 phases are active. But with this system, we will omit the usage of generator and will save in terms of fuel consumption, that we are going now to make sure that the available lines, the 2 lines that are available, either of the available lines that will be having power, you'll be able to use them in the same manner as you would have used the generator, which has got the 3 lines. The system that has been built here has been built in such a way that when those phases are off, either of the phases will pick automatically. For example, right now these 3 phases are active, so don't mind we have not put the indicators because we are short of the indicators, but we'll provide just in the near future. The indicators that are put here are for the single phases, but this one is for the 3-phase line. When those 3 phases, all of them are active, then it will not allow the single phase to operate. But when either of the 3 phases is off, for example, we are going to put off the red phase. Yellow phase should come automatically according to our setting. Let me repeat. When our red phase is on, the 3 phases will be active because all the 3 phases are on. When this red phase is off, it will allow the yellow phase to kick off because it is the available line and the priority one. When the yellow phase is off, the blue phase will pick automatically. And when the blue phase is off, the backup power, which we can term it as solar or generator, single phase, will pick automatically. If we take either of these phase has come back, let's say we are using the yellow phase, it will delink the backup power and activate the grid power that is available. By chance, it is only the blue phase that is back. Then, when we put it on, it will cut off the current of the backup and will allow the grid single phase power to come on automatically. Let's say because we have given the red phase the priority, when it is back, it will delink the yellow, the blue phase, and will activate the red phase. Even if the yellow phase is on, if the yellow phase has come on, it means now the three phases are active. Then it will cut off this single phase and allow the three phase to carry the current to the distribution board as been as we have made the set we have set it up to operate in that manner. So when yellow phase is off, the red phase, because it is the priority one, will pick, and when the red phase is off, the blue will pick, and when the blue phase is off, the backup, or maybe let us use term it as solar power, will pick automatically. By chance, let's say we want to put the, I've not carried the tester, but I'll use what I have now just to show you something here. In case you would want to short, somebody would come and try to short the lines, thinking that it might trigger the other line, not to cause a shortage. It will not work. According to the system that I've done, if you press in the blue line, it will delink the backup power, and when you release it, the power will come back on. When you go to the yellow, it will also behave the same way, and when you go to the red one, it will also behave in the same manner. If it is the red line that was put as the priority, if you press the red, it will delink the power. If you come back to this one, it will cut off the power. If you go to the blue, it will not allow that, give it a gateway so that now to protect it from shortage. And also when you come to the power backup system, it will also delink it. No power will be there. Let's try also with the yellow line when the red one is off. When the yellow one is off, you'll find that yellow line will not allow it. This one will not allow it. Also this one will not allow it. Whichever way, it will not allow it. Even this one, let's try with the blue. Blue will not allow it. Also this one will delink it. When you come back here, we'll delink it. We'll place other auxiliary contacts here to complete the system. But at the moment, whatever we have done is an indication that whatever we are going to put here will also operate in the same manner that we have done, we have shown you in the video. So all these lines are active, and this is the switch for this one. Let's say we put it off, and this one is active. The switch for this is this one, and the switch for the three phases are 1, 2, 3. For this one, this is the yellow phase, this is the red phase, yellow phase, and blue phase. But they are controlled from the three-phase power points, of which it will make the operation to become so easy and an effective manner. So in case you have three-phase grid power, you don't need to worry when one phase is off. The rest available phases, there are 2 available phases, if they are active, will pick and will continue with the system in an effective manner. The system I've done here in such a way on the power line, apart from the control, is that because this we've put this for the distribution board, when the power is activated, like now for example the yellow line is active here, all these other currents will flow to the three-phase lines with after delinking the three-phase system from this other side. It will delink the three-phase, either of the 2 phases, to avoid shortage, and it will allow this single phase to be supplied to the 3 distribution board lines. So the distribution board will use the single phase on the 3-phase system without necessarily depending on the 3-phase line. When all the 3-phase are back, let's say for example they are back, we have delinked this one. When they are back, let's say we put it off, I'm putting it on like this, and the yellow one is coming back like that, which will automatically delink, and the red one is also back. It will cut off all the single phase and allow the 3-phase to flow effectively. So when you're using the distribution board and you also have a machine that operates with the three-phase, this one will allow it to operate. But in case there is a single phase, we are going to use a VDF system to allow the current to the single phase to be turned to three-phase to continue with the operation. So you don't need to get worried about how this system is going to, whether it is going to affect your three-phase system. It will automatically work in an effective manner without worrying for anything. Thank you.